10 seconds within 24 hours. My shoulders are starting to get tired. 5 minutes. You guys see the title and I know what you're thinking. There's no way Savon's gonna be able to hold a handstand for 10 seconds within 24 hours. Well, I'm built different. If you look at everybody else's videos, they never make it to 10 seconds. And that's no shade, but on this channel, we hit our goals.
I'm sure you'll get it.
10 seconds in less than 24 hours?
10 seconds. You got it.
Really?
Next week.
So I set off to accomplish my handstand goal, and honestly, it wasn't looking too hot. This is my first handstand since I was 8. Wish me luck on this one. I'm going to look up some YouTube videos on how I can perfect this. It's time to do some research. So I went on the interwebs and it seems like everybody has their own way of doing the handstand quickly. So I'm gonna create my own.
Oh my gosh.
I think I'm starting to see why they never hit their 10-second goal. It's a little tougher than I anticipated. I'm gonna see if the grass is a little friendlier to me, because right now 24 hours is looking kind of rough. That's not funny. She's over there laughing at me. Okay, the grass, definitely my friend. So I feel like I'm just gonna have my best luck just going for it. My shoulders are starting to get tired. It's only been like 40 minutes.
How does that feel? Maybe you're not ready.
I'm not sure that I've made much progress. It's definitely not easy. As you can see, I'm sweating quite a bit, but I'm gonna go ahead and try for a wider stance. Might have a better shot. That's feeling pretty good. That's feeling pretty good. Little did I know that was only a 2 to 3 second handstand, but it felt like 5, okay? It felt like 5. Wider hands, a little more balance. I'm enjoying this. Let's go ahead and keep it going.
Okay, I'm feeling good.
Hey. I'm so frustrated. Bro, I should be able to do this. I need another break. We're about to go grab some food. I have, probably about like 21 hours left in this competition. We'll see what happens because this is kind of tougher than what I thought. Oh my goodness. I thought I had
Oh, good one.
Ah! I'm just so tired. There were a few in there where I thought I was gonna get it. What happened was I didn't. So I can feel myself kind of controlling it a little bit with the bent fingers, but it's hard. That's the move.
Oh
That's
Kicking
the
up?
move.
Alright, here we go.
Kick up and
Alright, go ahead.
squeeze everything.
4.
Oh. I have to finish there. I'm too upset. Been a very long day. Started at like 4:30, 5 o'clock to now like 8. I'm struggling. Every once in a while we make goals that are possibly unattainable, but I think I have a good shot. Tomorrow we're getting after it. I have about 5.5 hours to reach my goal of completing the handstand within 24 hours. I'm gonna work on some shoulder mobility upstairs, and then we may or may not come out here to the wet grass and go ahead and try to do some more handstands. 5 hours? Start the clock. After reviewing yesterday's footage, I think I found a technique that I like. Because I'm looking forward and I don't have the shoulder mobility, I can never actually get straight. But now that I'm kind of looking back, I can almost get straight, so I can feel myself balancing a little better. But it's kind of scary to keep your head down, so.
You okay up there, Rocco?
I'm good. I have 2 hours left. Only 2. The blocks seem to be helping. It was probably my longest, 3 to 4. Let's go. Did y'all see that? I only have an hour and 15 minutes left. The blocks have helped, but I'm still struggling. Ah! I thought I had that one. We're about to get serious now. They may have messed up my balance more. Noticing a lot of the problem is the simple fact that my left shoulder and arm isn't as strong as my right shoulder and arm. You guys obviously can see that. I'm gonna try to start kicking up and kicking more towards the right side, and hopefully that can kind of counterbalance the fact that I'm weaker on my left. It's a struggle to find that balance, that's for sure. Let's go. It's 4:32, which means I have exactly 28 minutes to handstand for 10 seconds. 5 minutes. Did I get it? 2 minutes. I may have already gotten it. What do you guys think? A couple of those last ones felt really good, but I won't really know until I watch the footage. I believe I have a few that are between 7 and 10 seconds. But regardless, here's my longest handstand in 24 hours. So there it is. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. That was my longest handstand in 24 hours. We hit 10 seconds, I think. Regardless, I had a great time doing this. I will see you next week. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And we're out of here.